The Zacks rank, value, momentum, growth, and income all factor into Zacks rank buys.
A retailer and a bank showing some signs of income and growth. And the editor of Zacks Income Investor, Nina Mishra, is here to tell us more about each one. So the retailer is Best Buy. And from what I can see, this looks like a pretty decent combination of both value and growth.
Mm-hmm. Yes, and it has been a very challenging environment for most retailers.
Yeah.
But some retailers have been doing well in the face of rising competition from Amazon. And Best Buy is one of them.
Mm-hmm.
In the past 2-3 years, they have improved their merchandise, their in-store shopping experience, and they have a lot of focus on their e-commerce operations now because of the rising trend for online shopping.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, according to the company, 70% of the US population resides within 15 minutes of Best Buy store. So that is why shoppers can shop online and pick up in stores. And in most cases, item is shipped within 2 days, which matches Amazon Prime's speed, and it's free shipping. So that is one of the reasons why their e-commerce operations have improved a lot. And last week there was a report in the New York Times that Amazon is exploring the idea of opening physical stores for items like home appliances. So that just goes to show that certain shopping experiences cannot be replicated online. Items like TV or fridge or things like that, people just prefer to view in person and buy in person.
Kick the tires.
Right. So if Best Buy is able to provide excellent in-store shopping experience and they are able to match Amazon's prices, which I believe they do in most cases, then there's no reason why this growth cannot continue.
Okay.
They had reported earlier this month, and as you can see, it was a big beat.
That was earlier in March.
Yes, early in March. And they have been beating the Zacks consensus estimate consistently for the past several quarters. In fact, if you look at their price consensus and EPS surprise chart, they have missed only once in the last 5 years.
Wow.
Which is a pretty good record. Now, going back to the detailed estimates page, as I mentioned, their earnings beat the Zacks consensus estimates significantly. And while revenues were slightly shy of estimates, but analysts have been really bullish on the stock. They have been raising the estimates consistently over the past few weeks. You can see the jump in the Zacks consensus estimates over here. And that has sent the stock to a Zacks rank 1. A strong buy. And they have also been returning a lot of cash to investors in the form of share buybacks and dividends.
Yeah, good dividend on this one.
Yeah, good dividend of 2.9%.
Yeah.
They also launched a new $3 billion share buyback plan earlier this month. So a lot of cash returned to investors. So I think the stock is definitely worth a look.
All right. So then the other, the bank stock is Bank of Montreal, headquartered in Toronto, ironically. So this is a standout among the foreign banks?
Yes, they have a lot of operations in the U.S. as well.
Yes.
In fact, they are one of the largest banks in North America. Now, banks have been doing well of late, except for the past few weeks when the Trump rate started reversing. But in general, the outlook for banks remains positive. BMO also had excellent results. You can see, if you go to the detailed estimates page, you can see this big beat of 23% over here. And they have also beaten consistently in the past several quarters. And like Best Buy for this bank also, analysts have been really bullish. You can see the big jump in estimates after the report over here on the detailed estimates page. And this stock is an excellent holding for dividend-focused investors who are looking for safe dividends, because the bank has been paying dividends consistently for the past 188 years, which is the longest payout record by any Canadian.
Yeah, it sounds like a long time.
Canadian company. Their current dividend yield is 3.5%, and their current payout is slightly below their target payout of 40 to 50%. So that just means that they will probably be able to further grow their dividends consistently in the coming years as well. This is also a Zacks rank number 1 stock, and I hold it in the income investor portfolio.
Okay. Outside of that, do you own either of these two?
No, I don't.
Personally?
No.
All right. Well, we have to let people know that. You know that. I hate to ask that question all the time, but it is disclosure. So if you want to explore the charts on these two stocks that Nina was pulling up here while we were talking about them, you can do that on our website, Zacks.com. All you need to do is search by ticker in the search box, and it'll take you right to the financial profile pages of each of these two companies. And there's a lot more stock information on the website as well. Zacks.com, start it all right on the homepage. With Nina, I'm Terry Ruffalo.